Today I want to defend my point of why I think news is objective. News brings us the day-to-day facts of events and places we cannot be present for, such as the inside of the White House, Afghanistan, or the House of Representatives. News channels are all about quality. They don't make up facts if they want to keep the quality and source of the information presented. If someone feels like some detail have been knocked off the news, one should know that there is an allotted time for news and not every single detail can be discussed in. Let's say that you don't trust the national news channels, then watch some news from abroad. According to the Business Insider, the most trusted news outlets in America, according to a new study from Pew Research Center, are actually British, like BBC. It doesn't matter how you get the news, know that you're getting first-hand information that is not biased and full of quality when you watch news.